Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 14 most effective ways to conduct research. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, these methods will help you gather the information you need. You see, in the vast universe of knowledge, research is our starship, carrying us through the unexplored territories of information. Just as astronomers use telescopes to observe distant galaxies, we use research methods to understand the world around us. So buckle up, fellow explorers, as we embark on this exciting journey to uncover the 14 most powerful research methods that will empower you to explore, analyze, and understand the world with a fresh perspective. Get ready to become a knowledge-seeking space explorer. Imagine you're a detective at a crime scene. You wouldn't just let everyone tell you their theories all at once, would you? You'd ask specific questions to get clear, concise answers. That's what closed questions do in research. These questions provide respondents with predefined answer choices, like multiple choice or rating scales. It's like giving your participants a cosmic multiple choice quiz about your research topic. This method allows you to gather quantifiable data, making it easier to analyze and draw clear conclusions from. It's about bringing order to the potential chaos of information. Remember the days of sending handwritten letters through the postal service? You'd carefully craft your words, hoping they would reach their destination safely. Sending structured questions via mail is similar. You're sending a carefully designed questionnaire to your participants, inviting them to share their thoughts and experiences. This method is great for reaching a wider audience, like sending a research probe to a distant star system. It allows participants to respond at their own pace, increasing flexibility and potentially boosting response rates. In today's digital age, information travels at the speed of light. Using email or the internet for questionnaires is like sending a message through a wormhole. It's fast, efficient, and can reach a global audience. Online platforms like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms make creating and distributing questionnaires a breeze. Plus, responses are often automatically collected and organized, saving you precious time and effort. It's like having a robotic assistant to help you manage your research data. Think of a semi-structured reflective interview as a conversation with an alien species. You have a general idea of what you want to ask, but you're also open to exploring new avenues as they arise. This method allows for flexibility and encourages participants to reflect deeply on their experiences. It's like allowing your research to be guided by the gravitational pull of unexpected discoveries. You're not just gathering information, you're engaging in a meaningful dialogue that can lead to deeper insights. Imagine a room full of brilliant minds, each with their own unique perspective on a topic. That's the beauty of group interviews. This method brings together multiple participants to discuss a particular subject, fostering a dynamic exchange of ideas. It's like creating a mini think tank, where participants can bounce ideas off each other, sparking new insights and challenging each other's assumptions. The synergy of a group can lead to a richer understanding of complex issues. Sometimes the most profound discoveries come from simply observing the world around us. Observing people in action is like being a fly on the wall, unobtrusively studying human behavior in its natural habitat. You can choose to be a participant observer, actively engaging in the activity you're studying, or you can be a covert observer, blending into the background like a chameleon. Non-participant observation allows you to observe without directly interacting. Each approach offers a unique lens through which to view and understand human behavior. Method 7. Analyze the written or spoken word. Words are powerful tools. They can inspire, inform, and even deceive. Analyzing the written or spoken word is like being a linguistic detective, carefully dissecting language to uncover hidden meanings and patterns. Content analysis helps you identify recurring themes and patterns. Thematic analysis explores the underlying ideas and assumptions embedded in the text. Linguistic analysis delves into the nuances of language, examining grammar, syntax, and word choice. Each approach offers a unique way to decode the complexities of human communication. Method 8. Test a hypothesis. A hypothesis is like a scientific prediction, a testable statement about the relationship between two or more variables. Testing a hypothesis is about designing an experiment to see if your prediction holds true. It's like conducting a cosmic experiment to see if your theory about the universe is correct. You carefully control variables, collect data, and analyze the results to either support or refute your initial hypothesis. This method is the cornerstone of scientific inquiry, allowing us to build evidence-based knowledge. Method 9, carry out a randomized controlled trial. Imagine you're testing a new medication. You wouldn't want to give it to everyone without a control group, would you? That's where randomized controlled trials come in. This method is the gold standard for medical research, ensuring that the effects you observe are due to the treatment and not some other factor. Participants are randomly assigned to either a treatment group or a control group, allowing researchers to isolate the impact of the intervention. Sometimes it's impossible, or well, unethical, to randomly assign participants to groups. That's where quasi-experiments come in. This method compares two groups that are already different in some way, such as smokers and non-smokers, to see if there are differences in their health outcomes. While not as rigorous as randomized controlled trials, quasi-experiments can still provide valuable insights, especially when studying real-world phenomena where random assignment is not feasible. Think of secondary analysis of data as a form of scientific recycling. Instead of collecting new data, you're digging through existing data sets, like an astronomer searching for undiscovered asteroids in archival telescope images. This method allows you to explore new questions using data that has already been collected, saving time and resources. It's like going on a treasure hunt through the vast archives of human knowledge. Method 12, do action research. Action research is about taking your research out of the lab and into the real world. It's a cyclical process of planning, acting, observing, and reflecting, aimed at solving practical problems in a specific context. Imagine you're a scientist working with a community to address a local environmental issue. You'd work collaboratively with community members to identify the problem, develop solutions, implement them, and then evaluate their effectiveness. It's about using research to make a tangible difference in the world. Method 13, conduct a case study. A case study is like a deep dive into a single, fascinating phenomenon. It's an in-depth analysis of a particular individual, group, organization, or event aimed at uncovering rich, contextualized insights. Think of it as studying a single star in detail to learn about the evolution of entire galaxies. Case studies allow you to explore complex issues in their natural settings, providing a nuanced understanding that might be missed in larger, more generalizable studies. Method 14. Use a triangulated approach. Imagine you're trying to determine the exact location of a distant star. You wouldn't rely on just one measurement, would you? You'd use multiple telescopes and techniques to triangulate its position with greater accuracy. That's the essence of a triangulated approach in research. This method involves combining two or more research methods, like the ones we've discussed, to study the same phenomenon from different angles. This approach strengthens the validity of your findings by providing a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the subject matter. Thanks for watching. We hope these 14 research methods help you in your next project. Whether you're investigating a complex social issue, exploring the mysteries of the human mind, or seeking solutions to pressing problems, these methods provide you with the tools to navigate the vast universe of knowledge. Remember, research is not just for scientists and academics, it's a fundamental human endeavor, a quest for understanding that drives us to explore, question, and discover. So, embrace your inner explorer, choose your research tools wisely, and embark on a journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. See you next time.